If you are trying to find mockups to use, especially video mockups for your print-on-demand products, it may be challenging if you are stuck just utilizing the basic mockups that comes from your print-on-demand provider. However, there are multiple products you can find that can actually help your product stand out even more. So in today's video, I want to share with you an easy way to find mockups, especially if you're selling different type of products you can start utilizing right now for your Etsy shop. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. All right, so here is Placeit. And Placeit is a great space to find great mockups to use for your print-on-demand products, and more specifically, I like utilizing this for things that's not your traditional print-on-demand product like t-shirts or sweatshirts. They have a lot of great things that you can do as far as wall art design, different type of mug mockups, as well as pillow designs. Those products that may not be necessarily popular on Etsy or as far as selling on Etsy. But again, these things can still generate you sales in regards to mockups. Not only do they give you still mockups, but you also get video mockups as well. And they also gave you some great templates for you to utilize for a different design if you want to get out of the normal space of Canva or Kindle. Now, with that being said, I like to head over to mockups here, or you can just use the area here to put in the specific mockup you want to choose. So say, for instance, if we're trying to mock up a design for a pillow, as you can see here, there's a couple of options they give us here. Pillow mockups, again, pillows on sofa mockups, and they have pillow mockup videos. For our case today, we just go to pillow mockups, and you'll see all the different type of mockup designs you can utilize for your print-on-demand product. And the unique thing about Placeit is that you can actually upload your design here, and they'll make it as if the design is already like printed on the product itself. This is what they call the smart mockup design. And as you can see here, they have a lot of different things you can sell. Now, in regards to our video today, we definitely want to look at those three products. We want to look at pillows. We definitely want to look at coffee mugs, and we definitely want to look at sweatshirts, because all three of those things could be a great space for you to create your products, but especially communicate your product with product photos. So that being said, let's look at some unique options here in regards to the pillow mockup videos. Now, when you head over here, you will see they have all different type of videos for your pillow designs. And of course, you want to make sure that whatever pillow you are selling, or for that case, whatever product that you're selling, that is definitely in line with your print-on-demand provider. But as you can see here, they have a lot of different type of design styles you can definitely choose from. Of course, with pillows, they may not have as many as you see here with mugs or sweatshirts, but this is still an option for you if you're trying to incorporate video for your product. Now, with that being said, let's head over to our next one here, which is coffee mug. As you can see here, we have that same type of thing here, listing out different type of ways our coffee mugs can be designed. And we're definitely looking up a mock-up. And again, we have mock-up with iced coffee. Again, different type of ways they're actually showcasing the product in use. And they actually have bottled coffee as well as videos here. Just simply hit videos. You'll see they have some videos as well. Now, with that being said, let's just look at some basic coffee mug mock-ups here and see some options that we have. And again, the unique thing about Kindle is that not only can you incorporate one design for your product, but if you are selling multiple products on your Etsy shop, like coffee mugs and t-shirts, then obviously you have that here. And this can go just not for Etsy, but if you're trying to sell, your products on a website with Shopify or what have you, and you definitely want to have a branded particular website, then you actually have those things afforded to you as well. So as you can see here, there's a lot of options here. Of course, what I like to do when I find a specific mockup that looks well is just not just, utilize this mockup as it is, but bring in some ways to add text on screen to communicate value in regards to what's the size mockups, what color, product does it come in, are there any other options to customize the product here. So yes, we have these mockups here that I think will do it extremely well. For mug designs, you definitely want to add in these type of text features here just to further communicate what your product is all about. Now let's go ahead and open up one of these, and you'll see how easy it is to drag and drop one of our designs into this mug mockup. All right, so here we are on one of our product photos that we can add in our design here. Now, Placeit does give you the proper dimensions or the pixel count in regards to what this product can be utilized as far as designs. But we actually have one already designed that we're going to upload here. And if I want to upload my design, I can head over here to upload it. If I want to change the color, I can change the color of the mug here. And remember how I said that we definitely want to add some text on screen. We can actually add all this text on screen here right in Placeit itself, so we know exactly what our customers will see when they come to our product, especially if we want to answer specific questions in regards to what our product is all about. We can add in just a little text here. We want to add in some things here in regards to what's the size of our mug, what is the customization options here, whatever you want to communicate further, that can be done here as well, which a lot of shoppers don't necessarily utilize, but I have found that to be a great success in my shop here as well. So I just hide this from our design here. Now in regards to our design we want to add, we can head over to where our design is located. So I head over to upload from my device, and I can find a specific design I think would do well. And I added this in one of my videos recently before, and I think this is a great example here to showcase what our product is. And so I add this here to our design. All right, so here is an example of our design here. It says teacher with that retro lighting in the middle here, and it has some personalization just as a placeholder so the customer can know this can be personalized. But as you can see here, we just added in our design, and we can actually move our design up or down just to fit into what our live preview shows us here. So this is great because again, if you're trying to utilize a smart mockup, usually you see this after the fact, but at least you can see this right here in the live preview area, so you know exactly how your specific design is lining up to your product. Now if everything is good here, we can go ahead and crop the image, and then it will place this specific design right here on our mockup. Now what's great about this as well is that again, you can go ahead and change the colors. If you're offering a different color, you can go ahead and change it here. In our case today, we're going to stick with what our mug is, which is a white mug. But I like how Placeit also gives you that same design you added to your mug and different mockups already placed on there, which again allows you to speed up the process and really to determine what type of mockup you should use for your designs. So notice how we added our design here to this mug, but automatically on the right hand side they already utilize that same design on different type of mockups. I can scroll here and see exactly what more I can use from Placeit to showcase my product design. Now if everything's good here, I can go ahead and hit download, and I can download this, just not to my computer. But one of the things I like about online software like Placeit is that if I'm working from a different computer, if I'm really being mobile, I'm working in my office, and next I'm working on my laptop, or I'm traveling, everything is downloaded with Placeit, just not on the device I have, which I can click download this here, but it's also downloaded to my profile, my account, so that I can pick up where I left off and continue with my process as well. Now with here, I can download this to my computer, and I can upload this into my Etsy listing. If I want to, customize this a little bit further in regards to size, I can crop this if I want, but I think everything looks good here. And this is just how easy it is to just utilize a mock-up style for our mug design utilizing Placeit. Now, if I want to head off and find a video mockup to use for our design that we just created here, I can go into Placeit options here in regards to mockups and head over to print on demand and head over to a different type of mugs here. I can see all different type of options, just not with still mockup photos, but also the video type style as well. Or what I can do here is I can head over to the search bar, search up mug, mockup, and as you can see here, we automatically have the options here in regards to video. So we'll click that, and you'll see some options here in regards to what we can utilize for video mockups. Now there's a couple of options here we can see in regards to video mockups with mugs, and just not with mugs here. You'll see the same process being done all over. That we do have the options here to have a real model in the shot. We actually have some options here to have video with text and screen here, and just with the mockup itself in the video, as we can see here. So in regards to this video, I like utilizing a real mockup with a real model in the shot, because again, it showcases how the customer will actually get the product and how they can visualize themselves using it. Again, that option is up to you, but Placeit does give you those type of features for video. Now, if I do want to utilize this mock-up photo here or this video, I can do the same process we did earlier. Just open this up, and as you can see here, we see that option to add in our design here and how the video will play out. Now, Placeit does give us an option to add in some video if you are utilizing Etsy to showcase this video mock-up, and Etsy does not give us the option for audio. But again, you can utilize audio if you're utilizing a personal website, or you're doing this for social media. So this is multiple options you can utilize this type of product here, especially with audio. In our case today, because we're utilizing this primarily for Etsy, we're going to click this off here, and we want to move over to the top portion. And same thing, we have our dimensions here for our mug, which we're going to add our design that we did previously. And if I want to go to recent uploads, I can find that specific design there. In our case today, we just go back to our hard file on our computer, and we actually have that here as well. Now, in regards to video, we don't have necessarily that live preview that you would typically see here, so it may take a couple of times for you to get this dialed in the right way in regards to where this mockup needs to be. But it does give you that preview here, as you'll see exactly how that design will look on our mug. And I can see it needs to be lowered just a little bit. So what I'll do here is I go to resize, and I'll scoot this down just a little bit as well. And when I'm moving this, the place is already kind of locking the design into the center place, so I don't have to be too concerned about that. I'll crop this again here and see where it will lay up. And again, it's just trial and error, but once you identify your designs and where they will lay up on your product, I think everything is good here. For our example today, we're just going to keep that where it is. And as you can see here, they also give us some more options on the side in regards to what type of video mockups we can showcase and use on our product as well. Now, if everything is good here, we can go to play all slides. And what this will do is that it will render everything out in the software, so we can actually get a downloadable video that we can showcase on our Etsy listing. All right, so here's the results that we have for our video mockups. As you can see here, it's playing our video mockups for 10 seconds, which is a great time to have a video be played on our Etsy listing here. Our design is right here in the shot. And again, it's showcasing our specific product being utilized by a real mockup person, a real model here in our video mockup. And if everything is good here, I can go ahead and hit download. And that will give us that option again, just not to save to our profile, but we'll get that download option here to download to our computer. And we're going to utilize that file to upload to Etsy. And so again, this is a great space for you, just not to find video mockups for mugs, but as you can see here, there's a lot of different options here you can utilize for your print-on-demand business. Now, the same thing we did previously to find different product, we can head over to the search area here and search up all categories, or head over to apparel, or honestly, whatever you're really focusing on selling. They have a ton of options you can do. In our final option here, we're going to select our sweatshirts here. Now, as you can see, we have some options here for sweatshirts mockups, and of course, we have some sweatshirts that we can utilize for video. Now, one of the things I didn't mention in the other products that I add here is that on the left-hand side, you'll see different type of filters you can choose in regards to what specific mockup you want to have. In more case, in our apparel options here, we have a lot more options to, filter between, do we want a boy, a girl, man, or woman here? Do we want to focus on a specific ethnicity for our specific model here? Do we want to focus on a specific season or a specific dress or a specific background here? So all of these things can really narrow down your specific mock-up that you definitely want to focus on. And this is definitely what we want to have showcase on our listing, because again, we definitely want to focus on our target audience. For instance, here, if I'm selling a sweatshirt for a father, then I definitely want to isolate all these other models here and just focus on a specific model that's going to really showcase what my product is. Obviously, a male, this is a great option here. Or if I'm focusing on a woman's shirt, or specifically a specific profession, I can find one that fits my overall design style or my niche and really bring out that as well. In our case today, we can see those options here, and we can focus on a mock-up that does extremely well. Now again, we can talk about the options of flat lays and real models here. I think both honestly would do well on Etsy. I utilize both flat lays and real models in my product photos here, just not with sweatshirts, but even when I'm selling my mugs, definitely an option there for you to utilize. In our case today, we definitely want to find one that showcases the design that you can really see it here. So this may not be the best option for our sweatshirt design, because obviously the arm here is cutting off the visual of our design here. But this one here definitely has the design all in the shot here. And of course, it is a video mockup as well. So our case today, we'll click on this one, and the same thing can be done for a still mockup photo, but we'll just come to the video mockups because that is technically what Etsy says will help you drive sales. So in regards to our video mockup here, we see our designs size that we need to upload to our file. Now what's cool here, again, I want to utilize that same design we utilize for our mug right here in our sweatshirt design. And as you can see here, our size for our sweatshirt here is a little bit different, but we definitely want to still fit our design here in the open space. Now, what I see to work well when we are doing things like apparel is that when I have my designs up at the top, again, that showcases, very easily how this design will be truly laid once it is printed out. So if I have it at the bottom here, it's going to be at the bottom of my sweatshirt. If I have it at the middle, I still find that not to be the best. So I like to tend to the upper area here in regards to having our design. Now I'll crop the image here, and of course they're going to give me a preview right here in the platform itself, so I can determine if this is actually the right lineage I need, right, the right area I need for my design, and it is. I can head over here, and one of the things that we didn't see with our video mockups with our mugs, that we can go ahead and change the color of our sweatshirt if we so choose. Again, because of my text here is black, I'm probably not going to change the color too much, but I do want to showcase the options here to change the color. So if I want to go to this, this green color, this forest green that we know to sell extremely well on Etsy, we can see that change the color as well. Obviously, I need to make sure that my design fit the color change of the product itself. But as you can see here, by just a simple click of a button, boom, that color would change just like that, which again saves you so much time when you're trying to find the right color mockup to showcase your product. Maybe you have a text design that's black and you need to change the color to white or beige or whatever you have here. You definitely can do all that right here and Placeit without spending a lot of time trying to find a whole new mockup color for a whole new design that you have. Now in our case today, I think that looks extremely well here, that little beige sand type color. Again, we have the option for audio with the audio, which we'll deselect here, and we'll just hit play all slides, then we'll have that rendered out so we can see exactly how this design is going to be used on our video mockup. All right, here is the result of our video mockup here. As you can see, this mockup video showcases the design right here in the shot, which gives us a perfect viewpoint of the design, but still showcasing a video where this is actually in motion. We have a pet here, we have a person here rubbing the cat. Everything is lining up extremely well, and I think it's a great example of showcasing your design on a video mockup. And same thing we did before, you hit download, you have the option to save it to your profile, but also download to your computer so you can upload this to your Etsy listing. If you want to check out this on your own, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And if you're new to print on demand and not sure how to get started, check out my free Etsy course down below. I share with you everything you need to know to get your print on demand business up and running today. And if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.